Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Finally, let's take a look again on the euro currency. So our weekly research, we have checked on the Great British Pound. So there we also have interesting setup that is mostly based on the weekly pattern from the technical point of view, but also it has fundamental sentiment background that makes possible on Great British Pound some upward action. From the point of view of the upward targets that have been achieved on the euro currency, on the Great British Pound, the situation very similar to each other. I mean, between the euro and Great British Pound. So on the cable, actually, today I thought what currency pair choose for daily video, because some objects to discuss is on the euro currencies on the cable, but on the cable mostly the only one important moment has happened is that market has reached our first target, the short-term target for a current week. This is minor extension of the ABCD pattern that we have discussed in the weekly research. So potentially we have the large ABCD that should lead market to reaching of the bullish grabber target. And right now market has hit the first destination point that we had discussed in the weekly research. That's why some retracement is possible there. But then I thought that in the euro currency situation a bit more tricky, and here is important moment exists that we should keep an eye on. And that we do not want to see to happen. So on the euro currencies, you can see market has followed to the first scenario when we said two different scenarios could be if market will turn to some retracement down here. In this case, market could form the bottom line, it's upward continuation, or it could immediately show the breakout of this resistance, because this resistance now is not as strong as it was in the first touch. As you can see, this was first testing, second, that's already the third challenge of this resistance. And how right now the mass media explains the fact why this breakout has happened is that this victory in the regional elections, the Angela Merkel in Germany, and also an ability of the Trump to pass through the legislative agenda, it's Obamacare canceling. So now a lot of questions exist to whether he will be able to push through the Congress the stimulus that he would like to do to apply in the United States economy. And it really stands under question the coming expenses, the common spendings of the United States government. And that hurt the United States dollar in the short-term period. That's mostly the explanation why market has jumped recently to the upside. But on this upward action, some moments have happened. First of all, as you can see, the market right now stands above the 618 minor extension. And it means that it already stands in a row to the next destination point, that's 109.75. This is AB equals CD target. So right now market stands already above this extension, so it should continue to move higher. It's really indeed bullish and it should move higher. Second, on the way up, market also has broken through the neckline of the head and shoulders pattern. Also it has moved above the yearly pivot point, fib level. It's also important. But most important is that right now stands above the neckline. It means it's very important that we do not want to see deep downward retracement here. It should not happen if market right now indeed is bullish. So we could accept minor retracement, retesting of the neckline here, closing the gap that has appeared recently. But after that, market should reestablish move up. Any deep retracement here, significant retracement, will be not very good sign for this pattern and for a bullish perspective in general. Some other bullish signs that we have on the euro currency is this market stands above the monthly pivot resistance one, weekly pivot resistance one. All this stuff is really good. for the bullish perspective, but major object to watch for is this area. Gap also here stands. So, as I said, we do not want to see too deep retracement here. It will be irrational behavior, as from the standpoint of this ABCD development, because as I said, market already stands above the target. Minor retracement has happened, reaction on this target, and it should continue to move high. So, no significant retracement has happened here. As from the perspective of the breakout of the hand shoulders neckline, that's also will be negative sign if market will return right back down below the neckline again after its breakout. This will be not good. So on the hourly chart, guys, we could watch for a couple of areas probably. One area is 108 approximately, and it will be primary area to watch for, because if market will stop here, this will be very good, because on the way down market will close the gap that has been formed, and it will not show too deep retracement. Also, it will stand inside this channel that keeps price action very well. So if it will show retracement right back down to the lower body of the channel, this will be very nice. And also, this is also the fib level. Next level stands, as you can see, a bit deeper. There's some kind of the confluence support around 107.50, 107.35 probably area. But on the daily chart, this will be already somewhere here. Well, it's not really too deep, but the first level still will be better. So if market will just close the gap around 108 and then reestablish upward action, this will be much better if market will drop to 107.40 area. It's confluence support. But still, that probably could be accepted, but not deeper levels. So this will be the best level if market will stop here and reestablish move up. Next level here, it's acceptable, but it's not as good as this one. So that's the levels that we should watch for. Currently, on the action that we have on the daily chart, on the intraday charts, we do not see any hints on the breaking of this bullish tendency, on the breaking short-term bullish trend. So everything stands as it should by far. So no problems with that. So let's keep watching for its possible retracement. And let's hope that market will continue upward action and will hit our at least ABCD target around 109.75 area.